Welcome to the Miami Association of Realtors virtual training. Today, a matrix tip. Portal notifications. Key to the success and knowing when your customer opens the search and what they've done with the portal you've created for them. To get to the portal notification settings, go to My Matrix, Settings, and click on Settings. Find Portal Notification Settings, click in, click through the items that you are interested in receiving. Notice that you can receive notifications for portal visits, favorites that are saved, remove favorites, possibilities that are saved, removal of possibility, discarded a listing, undiscarded listing, add note, save as a search, and visits portal for the first time. You can select to receive it via email, via text, or a daily summary. This permits you to know when your customer has opened the search that you have sent them and sees the interaction that they've had. Key is to know if they add notes. If they add notes, they may be interacting and telling you that they're interested in this property. If they've saved additional searches, you may want to know to make sure that you're covering the area that they're interested in. And their first portal visit will allow you to know the first time they attend the portal, when they open it up, and allows you to follow up. Use this tool to give you information on what the customer is doing. Once you've made your selections in this field, scroll down and you click here to edit cellular information. Type in only the digits of your phone and select your cell phone provider. Once you've selected it, request a verification code. Click Save and now enter your code. The validation code should be on your phone. You enter the code, save my cellular information, and click Save. You have now saved your portal notification settings. Thank you for being a Miami member. Always more with Miami.